That behind me is the United States Court of International Trade. It's a full federal court, but it has specialized jurisdiction given to it by Congress. The Court of International Trade is not an international court. It's a United States court, a federal court, and it doesn't enforce international law. It enforces United States law. Most federal courts are district courts where they're tied to a particular geographic area where they have responsibility. And those courts are generalist courts, so they can hear any kind of federal case unless it has been cleaved off of their jurisdiction and designated for a particular court. That's exactly how the U.S. Court for International Trade fits into the federal court system. It's a particular court created for a specific subject matter area. The U.S. Court of International Trade has nationwide exclusive jurisdiction over cases fitting within its niche of international trade law. Exclusive jurisdiction means only this court can hear those cases, not other courts. That jurisdiction includes customs lawsuits brought by the United States government against private parties, and it includes lawsuits brought against the United States government by private parties contesting the imposition of tariffs, duties, fees, or other taxes on imports into the United States. And the law allows many parties to contest the imposition of tariffs and duties, including producers, manufacturers, wholesalers, unions, workers' groups, and business and trade industry associations. It is an Article III court. An Article III court is a federal court vested with full judicial powers under Article III of the Constitution, which prescribes an independent judiciary. So judges on the U.S. Court of International Trade, like judges of the U.S. Supreme Court, the circuit courts, and the district courts, are appointed by the President, confirmed by the Senate, and serve with life tenure. Generally, cases are assigned to one of the 9 judges on the court. Typical cases would be where someone is contesting the amount of some duty that they've been told they have to pay by a customs official. When the case involves whether a law is constitutional or whether an executive order is legal, something big and significant and important like that, the chief judge may assign the case to a panel of 3 judges. As was established for U.S. courts in the early years of the Republic, the U.S. Court of International Trade has the power, actually the duty, to declare void any executive order or agency rules that are contrary to the law or the Constitution, and to declare as void acts of Congress if they are unconstitutional. You might think because the Court of International Trade has nationwide jurisdiction and because of its relationship to lawsuits brought by and against the United States government that the Court of International Trade would be located in Washington, D.C. But the court is based in the capital of commerce and trade in the United States, New York, right in New York City. It's got actually a really nice piece of real estate. The International Trade Court is in Federal Plaza, among the pod of massive Manhattan courthouses and civic buildings. In fact, it's just a 5-minute walk up and across Foley Square from your best entertainment bargain in New York, the Real Night Court at the New York City Criminal Court. It's free, as is the Staten Island Ferry, where I got this fabulous footage that I'm now using for the 3rd time this video. Oh, and for prestige street addresses in Manhattan, it's hard to beat the Court of International Trade. The address is 1 Federal Plaza. But while the judges' chambers and the courthouse are in New York City, the law provides that the court can accommodate parties by holding trials and proceedings anywhere within the United States. And the law even provides for the Court of International Trade to conduct proceedings in foreign countries. Sounds like a cool court to be a judge on if you like to travel. Hey lawyers, watch out! The USCIT does not use the federal rules of civil procedure. Instead, they use the similar but distinct Court of International Trade rules. If you don't like what the Court of International Trade decides, you can appeal. You can always appeal. From the Court of International Trade, appeals go up to the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, and that's in Washington, D.C. And of course, after that, you can try to appeal to the United States Supreme Court and petition for them to hear the case.